Good evening, student. This is FIBSc first semester, Physics second, Physics Principles and Application, Chapter third, Physics of Molecules, Article first, Types of Bonding. The formation of compound involves the combination of two or more atoms under specific set of conditions. When two atoms combine together, they try to acquire stable electronic configuration by giving or taking or sharing electrons and thus establish some sort of binding force or chemical bonding between them. A chemical bond is thus interatomic attraction which holds two atoms together. Molecules and ions may also be held together. Interatomic and interatomic attraction, intermolecular and interatomic attractions. These attractions may be termed as chemical bond. The force of attraction which holds the two atoms or ions together in a molecule is called bond. The chemical bond may be ionic, covalent, metallic, or molecular in nature. The first bond is ionic bond. What is by ionic bond? An ionic bond is a type of chemical bond formed through an electrostatic attraction between a positive ion and a negative ion. Once one or more electrons from one atom may transfer to the other and the resulting positive and negative ions attract each other. Ionic bonds are formed between an electropositive element, which is usually a metal, and electronegative element, which is usually a non-metal. In ionic bond formation, an electropositive atom, usually metal, whose ionization energy is low, it releases some of its electrons to achieve a stable electron configuration, and after releasing some of its electron, the atom becomes cation. The electronegative atom, usually non-metal, whose electron affinity is positive because they are capturing or attracting the electron. Then accept the electrons gained to attain a stable electronic configuration, and after accepting electron, the atom becomes an anion. The electrostatic attraction between these two entities means cation and anion forms the ionic bond. It is formed to attain stable octet structure. Metals atoms like sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. are electropositive in nature because they give one electron or unstable electron. The atoms like oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, etc. are negative in nature because they capture the electron. For example, common salt is sodium chloride NaCl, which is a very good example of this type of bonding. The sodium, the Z is equal to 11 is the atomic number. Atom has electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. 3s1 is a single electron and have low ionization energy and hence easily lose an electron. Because of last single electron does not occupy or does not capture the double electrons. The chlorine Z is equal to 17 is the atomic number. Atom has electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. Two electrons are paired, one electrons are single in this chlorine. This element has a high electron affinity and strongly tends to acquire an electron. When sodium and chlorine are combined, the sodium atom each gain an electron, forming cations because they release the electron, and the chlorine atom each gain an electron, forms anion because they capture the electron. The formation of NaCl is illustrated in following figure or figure 1. These ions are then attracted to each other in a 1:1 ratio to form sodium chloride. The reaction is Na plus Cl get Na charge is positive and chlorine charge is negative to form a NaCl, sodium chloride. Ionic bonding will occur only if the overall energy change for the reaction is favorable. That is when the reaction is exothermic. The removal of electrons from the cation is endothermic because they release electrons, they capturing the electrons, raising the system overall energy. This is the figure. First, first figure A, sodium gives its one weakly held electron to chlorine. Because of sodium, electrons configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. Last electron is a single electron. They lose easily their energy. Then chlorine atomic number is 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p5. Two electrons are paired, one electron is unpaired. That's why sodium gives one electron and chlorine capture one electron. They complete their octet. Then second figure, the sodium and chlorine ion both have stable outer shells that are filled with electrons because of all sodium electrons are paired and chlorine electrons are paired. That is why they are stable in nature. Then last figure is shows sodium chloride structure. The next characteristics of ionic bond. First one is ionic bond is fairly strong as known from the amount of work required to dissociate an ionic solid into its components. The magnitude of cohesive energy is about 5 to 10 electron volt. On account of such a strong binding, the ionic crystals are hard and have relatively high melting and boiling point. Third one is ionic crystals are quite soluble in ionizing solvents such as water. Water is a ionizing solvent. The solutions being highly dissociated with free ions. Then last one is the larger the electronegativity between two atoms involved in the bond, the more ionic, that is polar bonding is created.